Today, we are going to show you how to use the LOKLiK iPaint to create a cross-stitch project. First, prepare your LOKLiK iPaint, a computer, cross-stitch fabric, thread and needle, and masking tape. This tutorial covers the following steps. 1. Power connection, painting materials placement and pen installation. 2. Device connection, uploading/selecting an image. 3. Parameter settings and painting area preview. 4. Outline drawing and stitching. Step 1. Power connection, painting materials placement and pen installation. Connect the LOKLiK iPaint to your computer using a USB cable. Press the power button to turn it on. Align the cross-stitch fabric with the guide marks on the device and secure it with tape. Next, install the pen. The silicone pen grip usually aligns to the scale mark B on the pen. For painting substrates thicker than 15 mm, align to the scale mark A. Open the pen holder. Hold the top of the pen grip with both hands to insert the pen into the holder. Step 2. Device connection, uploading/selecting an image. Then open LOKLiK Idea Studio. Click Device in the top left corner. Then click Device Connection. Select LOKLiK iPaint. Click Next. Choose USB. Then click Search. And connect to complete the connection. Click Upload in the left menu bar to upload your own image. Adjust the image's size and position. Then click Make in the top right corner and select Line Art. Step 3. Parameter settings and painting area preview. Choose Canvas as your painting surface or click the plus button on the right to customize the material size. Set up the material's name and size. Check if the pen tips touches the fabric surface. Adjust the pattern size to fit the painting surface. Use Auto Adjust Size in the upper left corner of the canvas for quick resizing, and the Rotate tool to adjust the orientation. Step 4. Painting Area Preview. Now, check if the pattern fits properly on the fabric by clicking Preview, and start previewing the painting area. Once everything is set, click Add to Task. Finally, press Start, and the device will begin drawing the pattern. When it's done, remove the tape, and the outline is ready. Now, start stitching along the lines with your thread and needle. Outlines can be removed through heating. You can use blow dryer, heat press, etc. Once you've finished the embroidery, your beautiful cross-stitch project is complete.